my name is Daria. Nice to meet you.
Thank you. Nice to meet you. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. I live in Canada. What about you?
I am living in Pakistan.
Oh, great. How is the situation there with the virus? Can you go out?
Yeah, we can. It's under control, but regarding is from 7 to 10
Wow, I
died.
see.
Died cases. Death cases.
Right. What do you do in life? Are you a student or do you work?
I am student studying BS Software Engineering.
Wow, that's great. Which year are you in?
In third year, 1 year left.
Oh, great. What are you planning to do afterwards? A master's or are you planning to start working right away?
Yeah, I have strong intention to do master,
Hmm.
PhD as well as MPhil.
A master in your home country or maybe abroad?
I love abroad, but let's see what's happening then. I'll try to go outside.
Yeah, the epidemic spoiled all of our plans. It's hard to make any kind of plans or decisions.
Yeah. And what about Corona there?
Well, in Canada, in general, the situation is quite good, but in my province in Ontario, we're in lockdown. Yeah, so we cannot go out. Yeah, only
Mm,
for supermarket, pharmacy, and to walk the dog. Yeah.
okay, okay.
There are not that many cases. It's just a precaution. Yeah.
Yeah, got
Mhm.
it.
Yeah. What do you do in your free time? Do you have any hobbies?
Yeah, play cricket, but not more time. Uh, I love to watch English talk shows, and I have a YouTube channel
Oh,
in which I
really?
upload my field related videos, and another YouTube channel in which I upload English learning related materials.
Wow. Do you have lots of subscribers?
Not too much. I just created second channel a month before, so there are 80 subscribers so far.
How many subscribers do you need to start getting money from the channel?
When it's reached to 100, 1,000,
Wow. hmm I see.
hope well we reach.
Of course.
Yeah,
Yeah.
its flow is good.
Yeah, that's great. I've never thought about making YouTube videos. Yeah. But I think it's a lot of work. Yeah, they have to be edited. You need to write content, edit, add music, animation, so much work.
Yeah, of course, it's needed. Time is just take lots of time to shoot, to edit, and then to upload, etc.
Do you have a team of other people who help you?
No, no, I do alone.
Wow, you have enough time to do everything?
Yeah, I try to find out time.
Wow. And do you need to know a lot of different software, video editing, music?
Yeah, I have command on such these softwares.
How much time in general do you need to produce one video?
In my field related video, so the topic I already studied, so it's not take too much time for preparation. I think 5 time for preparation, and then recording depends. Sometime I record 15-minute videos, sometime 10-minute videos. So I can say that half hour I spend on one video, which is not a quite big time. And then in uploading such a time it takes to give title, description, and other etc. So I can say that one video takes 1 hour from me.
Wow, that's not that much. That's great.
Yeah,
Wow. hmm So you're planning to do both your YouTube career and your engineering career.
yeah, both, because I doing YouTube as a hobby. So I love YouTubing, I can say.
Yeah. Are there any YouTubers that you watch, that you admire, that you have like role model?
Yeah, there are many YouTubers because nowadays many people use YouTube. So there are many YouTubers that I want to be like them. So
Mm,
inshallah, one day will come that I will be at that peak.
yeah, of course. But it takes a lot of time, I imagine. Or sometimes
Yeah,
it just takes one
best.
video.
Yeah,
Yeah. If your video goes viral, then it's out there and then you get more subscribers and everything.
yeah,
Mm.
of course, you are right.
Do you also have to pay for marketing for advertising your videos on YouTube or no?
No, no, no.
Hmm. Oh, that's good.
And do you have any job apart from Cambly?
Yeah, of course. I'm an Italian teacher in a school and I'm also a translator. I work with English, Italian, and Russian languages. Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, it is. It's very challenging at times, but quite awesome. Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah, I used to live in Italy for the last 5 years, but I had Corona in March and I decided to come back to Canada. But I'm going back to Italy in October or November this year.
You are basically from Italy?
No, I'm Canadian, but I moved to Italy in
Okay.
2015 and I lived in Rome till March 2020. And then I decided to go back. But my life is there, my friends are there, so I'd like to go back when I can.
Mm. Oh, yeah.
At the moment, the situation there is really bad. They still have a lot of cases, and they have a really high death toll, one of the highest in the world, really. So the economy suffered a
Mm.
lot as well. So I figured I'd wait a little bit till the situation improves, and then I could start a master's next fall. Yeah,
Oh, that's great.
yeah, that's
And
the
how old you are?
25.
25. Okay.
Yeah.
Mean you have not yet done master.
No, I took a lot of gap years. I graduated when I was 22 and I started working and I kept postponing. I was supposed to go to a master's program in Germany this October, but because of the pandemic, I decided not to because I didn't really want to study online. I wanted to study face to face. Yeah.
Yeah, there is a difference between online study and face to face. We are also taking online classes, but now we will rejoin the university from 1st February. So it's good news that universities are going to open from
Yeah.
1st February,
Oh, great.
uh, a half week later.
Yeah, these are great news indeed. I don't really mind online classes, but being in a lockdown in a different country would mean that I don't make any friends in my master's. And I really want to make friends. I think you get people that are really interested in the same thing.
Yeah,
Yeah. So it would be a pity to miss that. I have a student who is now, he lives in China, but he's now attending a master's program in Leeds in the UK, at home, of course, in China. And yeah, he's lamenting about the fact that he cannot meet people. Yeah, he sees them in Zoom in the small
yeah,
boxes, but it's not the same. Yeah.
yes, yes. There is a lot, there is a big difference.
Yeah. Hopefully, I really hope that this pandemic will be over soon. But now they're scaring us with all new variants. There's UK variant, South African variant, Brazilian variant. They're more potent than before. So it feels like we're in this situation for a long time. I hope not. Yeah,
Yeah,
we'll see.
definitely it will take time.
I've already had corona, so I don't fear much. But now they say that you can get it twice or even three times. So
Oh, 3 times.
yeah, I mean, if you get a different kind, a different variant, you can still get sick.
Oh, I mean, there are chances that after if you have taken it once, so they are take you in the second time and even in the third time. Oh,
Yeah, if 8 or 9 months pass, yeah, because your immunity is only there for about 8 or 9 months. Yeah, the
okay,
antibodies.
okay.
Okay, thank you very much. It was lovely to chat to you. Have a nice day.
Welcome.
You
Thank you.
too. Bye.
Have a nice day. Bye.